Learn can in French fast. Can equals
pouvoir.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll lock in can
Pouvoir.
with a smile, so you can use it anywhere, cafes, classes, even when a door sensor judges you. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll confidently say every form of can. Ready? Let's go. Can equals
Pouvoir.
I can equals
Je peux.
you can, singular, equals
Tu peux.
he can equals
Il peut.
she can equals
Elle peut.
it can equals
Il peut.
we can equals
Nous pouvons.
you, plural, can equals
Vous pouvez.
they can equals
Ils peuvent.
forms you'll use all the time. Say them out loud with me. Your voice is your superpower. I can help equals
Je peux.
aider. You can try equals
Tu peux.
essayer. He can come equals
Il peut.
venir. She can swim equals
Elle peut.
nager. It can wait equals
Il peut.
attendre. We can start equals
Nous pouvons.
commencer. You, plural, can enter equals
Vous pouvez.
entrer. They can finish equals
Ils peuvent.
finir. Funny door scene. Let's do a quick, silly dialogue. Speak the French parts out loud. A. Can we go in? We can wait if needed. B. Yes.
Vous pouvez.
Entrer. But quietly, the cat thinks it's a library. A. He can read? B. Of course, today.
Il peut.
Solomon Regarder pictures. A. I can tiptoe. B. Great.
Je peux.
Also tiptoe. And the cat? Cat, whisper, meow, we can, nap. Teamwork.
Nous pouvons.
Dormir. Rhythm drill. Lock the sound. Clap or tap and repeat after me. Feel the beat. 1 to 2. I can.
Je peux.
1 to 2. You can.
Tu peux.
1 to 2. He can.
Il peut.
1 to 2. She can.
Elle peut.
1 to 2. It can.
Il peut.
1 to 2. We can.
Nous pouvons.
1 to 2. You, plural, can.
Vous pouvez.
1 to 2. They can.
Ils peuvent.
Bonus. Can, infinitive.
Pouvoir.
Mini quiz. Quick check. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal it. Q1. Translate. Can you help me? Using you, singular. A.
Tu peux.
M'aider? Q2. Say, we can start now. A.
Nous pouvons.
Commencer maintenant. Q3. They can wait. A.
Ils peuvent.
Attendre. Q4. I can swim. A.
Je peux.
Nager. Q5. It can rain later. A.
Il peut.
Pouvoir plus tard. Culture tip. Can versus permission. French is friendly. Use can for both ability and permission in daily speech. In most conversations, permission sounds natural with can. Can I sit here?
Je peux.
M'asseoir ici? Extra polite or very formal? Try inversion.
Puis-je?
M'asseoir ici? Posh but crisp. Everyday vibe with clarity?
Est-ce que je peux?
M'asseoir ici? Challenge time. Your turn, you've got this. Say each English prompt in French. I can speak slowly. Answer.
Je peux.
Parler lentement. You can, singular, decide. Answer.
Tu peux.
Decider. He can come later. Answer.
Il peut.
Venir plus tard. She can help today. Answer.
Elle peut.
Aider aujourd'hui. It can wait. Answer.
Il peut.
Attendre. We can finish early. Answer.
Nous pouvons.
Finir tôt. You, plural, can enter now. Answer.
Vous pouvez.
Entrez maintenant. They can try again. Answer.
Ils peuvent.
Réessayer. Outro. You can do this. Nice work, you nailed can in every form. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, can.
Pouvoir. Je peux. Tu peux. Il, elle peut. Nous pouvons. Vous pouvez. Ils peuvent.
And you'll sound natural fast. For more lessons, drills, and laughs, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.